Hello to everybody that's watching. A little update. Yesterday and today was like 35 Celsius. I don't know how they survived. And tomorrow it's going to be the same thing. Let's take a look. I came out actually in the morning, I watered. The little tomatoes just like took off. Very nice. Little buds are coming up. Thank God I got these things for wind barriers. Oh yeah, tomatoes are doing very well. The beans were doing very well too. Two kind of beans. Wind barriers everywhere. Very important. Plants hate wind. Beans are doing very well. Very well. I got them to sprout. I'm just gonna keep one. I don't know which one yet. This one had come out first. They're suffering, my peppers. But what can you do? I have shade cloth, but I never put it. Yeah. Well, and tomorrow, so we'll see. The eggplants are doing fantastic. They love the heat. But peppers don't like heat that much. Yeah, I should have put the shade cloth on. I don't know why I didn't. Eggplants are doing very well, but these are really disappointing me. They were doing very well till yesterday. They're making little buds, but those have to come out because they're so tiny and small. Eggplants are doing good. Tomatoes are doing very well. Flowers are coming out. But the green peppers, my. Yeah, I should have put the shade cloth on the peppers at least. Anyways, one more day of heat wave and we're back to normal. Some thrive in weather like this, some don't. See those little buds? Gotta cut them. This one is saying help. And these I haven't fertilized at all. Usually I fertilize after 7 to 8 days. These I did after 7 days, and the tomatoes. These I'm gonna wait until the weather cools off a little bit. Let's see the front. The front that came out yesterday was so hot. I deadheaded most of the flowers, but they were fine yesterday. Have to deadhead the rest. This one too is getting really bad beaten up. She's still taking it. 35 But what makes me happy is when I see this coming out. I didn't water the front at all, so tomorrow I'm going to water the front. The daylilies are going to come out pretty soon. Ah, yeah, they're all suffering. They don't like weather like this. Yeah, tomorrow gotta water them. Or maybe I'll do it in the evening. My neighbor chopped her roses too. No more the mountain of colors. Her daylilies are nice too. Saint Jean-Baptiste here in Quebec, but with this heat I don't think I'm going anywhere. Yeah, from what I see, very dry. I think I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of water, even though I hate evening watering. Anyways, this is the update for today. Peppers are suffering, roses are suffering, and well, c'est la vie. I'll give you an update tomorrow if they're still alive, but I think they will. "35 degrees. I did a bad thing. I didn't put the shade cloth. Anyways, have a nice evening, nice day, nice morning, and I'll catch you tomorrow.